In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Melio for invoices. To get started, sign into your Melio account. Once you are inside the dashboard, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct business profile, especially if you manage more than one. This helps ensure the invoice you create is tied to the right account and payment settings. Next, look to the left sidebar and click Get Paid. This is the section where Melio lets you request payments and create invoices for your customers. After you open Get Paid, choose the option to start a new payment request. Depending on what you see on your screen, you will click either Plus New Request or Create Invoice. Both options bring you into the same workflow for building an invoice or payment request that your customer can pay online. Now you will enter your customer's details. If the customer already exists in your list, select them so Melio can autofill the information. If they are new, add a new customer by entering their basic contact details. Make sure the name and email address are correct because Melio will use this information to deliver the invoice link and to record who the payment is from. After that, enter the amount you are requesting and set the due date. Choose a due date that matches your payment terms so your customer has clear expectations. You can also add a note. This is a helpful place to include a short description of what the invoice is for, like the service period, project name, or any context that helps your customer recognize the charge quickly. Next, select how you want to be paid. Melio typically allows options like an ACH bank transfer or a card payment. If you want to encourage faster payment, offering card can be convenient for the customer, while ACH is a common choice for lower processing costs. Pick the option or options that fit your business needs and preferences. When everything looks correct, click Create and Share. This finalizes the invoice and prepares it to send. Then choose Send Request to email the invoice link to your customer. Once it is sent, your customer will receive a link they can open to view the invoice and submit payment through the method you enabled. That covers everything you need to know.